Well, we had a little bit of rough weather for the last week or so. Let's see here. Well, blew the siding right off the side of my shed. So I just figured I'd come up here and take a look and see if I could get these back on there. Well, I guess I got my work cut out for me. Let's see what I can do to get that straightened back up if it's possible. Okay, that's pretty ugly, but it's better than it was before. Anyway, we had enough storm to blow this redneck siding off the side of my house.